Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is day 6. So, in day 6, I'm going to show what is happening with the cuckoo bird. She's still there on the nest, but at this time, you can see the back portion. So, she's got a brown color tail with a yellow and black spot with brown and light greenish in front with white breast and a color camouflages with a hibiscus tree leaves, and she's sitting there quietly. She's still hatching the eggs. Now you can see her clearly. Hold on. Okay, I've zoomed and you can see her clearly. She's so beautiful, colorful, and this is day 6. She's sitting on and warming up her 8 eggs. So she's trying to hatch it. So now you can see how huge she is. She's not but she's not a pigeon. She's a cuckoo bird. I don't know what species she is, and she's still there in the tree. That's the reason I never let my dogs out yet, because they will disturb her, because she has built the nest very low. So you can see the nest is very low, and the tree, can you see that? It's very low. This is the tree. You have seen this cuckoo bird in the earlier video in the front portion, and now you can see her in the back position. Very clear. See, so beautiful she is. God bless her. Let her hatch all her eggs. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I'm moving slowly so that I won't frighten her. It's my house garden. And we are... Okay, ladies and gentlemen, see you in day 7. Thank you for watching.